A Walmart receipt doesn't disappear from the system just because you lost the paper copy. If you paid with a card, Walmart can usually pull the transaction back through your payment history or digital account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look for a lost Walmart receipt, what actually works in 2026, and the fastest way to get proof of purchase for returns, warranties, or expense tracking. First place to check is your Walmart account if you used Walmart Pay or ordered through Walmart.com. Every purchase made while logged in is stored in your order history. You can open the app, go to Purchase History, and download or view the receipt directly. If you paid in-store with a debit or credit card, the next step is checking the Walmart app's Purchase History section if your payment method was saved or linked. Some transactions show up automatically, depending on how you paid and whether your account was used at checkout. If you don't see it there, the next method is your bank or card statement. Walmart transactions usually show the store name, location, and exact purchase amount. That won't give you a full receipt, but it is often enough for returns or verification. For a full reprint, the most reliable option is going back to the store where you made the purchase. Customer service can usually reprint receipts if you provide the exact card used, purchase date range, and approximate time of purchase. The more accurate your details, the faster they can locate it in their system. There's also an important limitation most people don't know. Walmart stores don't keep paper receipt copies forever in an easy access format. That means the longer you wait, the harder it becomes to retrieve older transactions, especially if you didn't use a linked account. If the purchase was made with cash, and you didn't use a Walmart account, recovery becomes much more difficult. In many cases, store lookup may not work without a card or transaction reference. So what actually works best? Digital receipts through a Walmart account are the easiest. Card-based transactions come next through bank statements or store lookup. Cash purchases without tracking are the hardest to recover. To put it simply, Walmart receipts are recoverable, but only if you have some form of digital or card trail. The system is built around tracking purchases, not storing paper backups long-term. If you need more step-by-step guides like this for fixing common shopping and payment issues, like the video and subscribe.